Hey, today we're going to be installing the Oracle LED cargo light for the full-size Bronco hardtop. This installation is pretty straightforward and provides some really good LED light output for the cargo area as well as area behind the vehicle. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first step we need to do is take off the factory cover. So this is just held on by clips all the way around, so you just basically have to go through and unclip it. It comes off pretty easy, but if it's your first time with this coming off, it might be a little bit harder than that was. We've had this one on and off a couple times. So now with the factory cover removed, we're gonna install the new Oracle LED cover. And really, the only thing we're doing here is that these studs here are gonna go through these mounting holes, and we're gonna install a nut onto this and to this one to basically secure this up. This slot here, we're gonna have the cable running through, and then also the factory cable goes through here as well. We're gonna take our wire and just run it to the passenger side where our power source is, and then just line up those studs, push that on like so, take our nut and install it onto the stud up here. Do the same thing on the other side. And no reason to over torque this. We're just holding on this plastic cover, so doesn't really require a whole lot of force. And then we're gonna basically run this wire this way. But before we do, if you wanna cover up these holes here, the package includes these hole covers that insert like so. Since it's upside down, they're not really gonna stay in there very well, so we've got these 3M adhesive pads that we can stick on either side of here and then reinstall this part. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll just peel the tape off and then go ahead and install this so everything looks nice and finished. And then we'll just go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So basically, we're just gonna go ahead and secure this cable and run it down this way. And to do so, the kit includes these little wire clips. And the way these wire clips work, you insert one side of the wire and then pull it around and insert the other side of the wire, and then it basically secures it. So we'll just go around and add these where needed. And then the last step, we'll just go ahead and plug the adapter into the outlet right here in the cargo area. All right, and to switch it on, all we do is press the button here, and as you can see, it's providing a lot of really good functional light. So if you're camping or you just have a lot of gear in the back of your Bronco you need to access often, this is a really convenient, practical item. It took about 5 minutes to install, and if you want to learn more, be sure to check out our website at www.oraclelights.com.